Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize Wrike user roles using Okta SSO, beginner guide step by step clearly. To begin authorizing Wrike user roles using Okta SSO, start by logging into your Okta administrator account. Navigate to the admin dashboard. Select applications from the menu on the left. Click on Add Application. In the search bar, type Wrike and select it from the results. On the application page, click Add. Set the application to active in the general settings. Next, configure the SSO settings by selecting the Sign On tab. Locate the SAML settings section and click Edit. In the single sign-on URL field, enter the URL provided by Wrike. In the Audience URI, SP Entity ID field, enter the Wrike Entity ID. Fill in the name ID format with the appropriate value, typically set to email. Scroll down to Attribute Statements. Click Add Attribute to define user attributes for Wrike. Enter email in the name field for user email addresses. For the name format, select Basic. Click on Save. Now, navigate back to the dashboard in Okta and find the Wrike application. Select the People tab to assign users to this application. Click Assign and choose either Assign to People or Assign to Groups as needed. Select the users or groups you want to authorize and click Assign. Confirm the assignments when prompted. Next, log into your Wrike account using your administrator credentials. Go to the Account Management section. Select users from the options available. Invite the Okta users by entering their email addresses as required. Next, go to the Security settings within Wrike. Find the SSO option and enable it. Enter the required SSO settings, ensuring they match what you configured in Okta. Save the changes to complete the setup. Inform your users about the new SSO process to access Wrike. Ensure they know how to log in using their Okta credentials. You have now successfully authorized Wrike user roles using Okta SSO. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.